12:25 across the valley this afternoon. Skies starting to clear out from west to east. The rain is gone and clouds kind of gradually breaking up as the afternoon goes on. Sunshine will be around more so on Wednesday and even Thursday. I think those will be some sunnier days overall, and also some warmer temperatures by later in the week. We could be talking about maybe some temperatures averaging upper 80s, around 90 or so for highs by the time we get toward Friday and Saturday. It does look like some much warmer weather on the way, kind of just right after Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day should still be fairly warm in the afternoon, though. High temperatures today back right around 70 or so, where the clouds are breaking up first, maybe a little bit warmer in Starr County, where the clouds are kind of a little thicker and not thinning out as quickly along the coast. A little cooler there, around 70 in Brownsville for highs and near 65 at the island. Temperatures right now you see are still in the 60s to near 70. We're at 70 in McAllen, 69 in Edinburgh. Humidity's down, a little breeze going from the north. The wind speed's gusting about 20 to 25 miles per hour or more. Gusts a little less as you get into Starr County, but generally just a nice cool breeze this afternoon. Your day planner the rest of today kind of hovering in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Again, maybe a little warmer than this in the upper valley, a couple degrees cooler in the lower valley, but clouds decreasing, and then temperatures by this evening falling through the 50s. And with that dry air and low humidity, the lighter winds, it's just going to allow temperatures to fall through the 50s. And by the time we wake up early tomorrow morning around sunrise, it may be in the 40s. But this is only one cool morning of the week. All the rest are looking warmer. Not a lot of rain overnight. Not future track. The First 1.5 Doppler network estimating anywhere from about a tenth of maybe around a quarter to a third of an inch in some of the heavier spots, but not much rain overall. Again, a lot of places only at 1 to 2 tenths or less on the radar estimated rainfall totals. Satellite radar shows all dry conditions now, some holes in the clouds developing. If you get outdoors, it should be a little sunnier as the afternoon progresses. Already some patches of blue breaking through the clouds, and the clouds kind of thinning as the day goes on. Across Texas, pretty calm. You see nothing immediately behind the storm for a while, so things do look pretty dry for a few days. Expecting the next chance for rain, at least not until Sunday at the earliest. I think we are setting up for the next at least 3 or 4 days of some dry weather. Future track does show dry conditions this afternoon, partly sunny skies later this afternoon with the clouds decreasing. Then overnight, cool or maybe a little chilly, if depending on your definition of how chilly is. And by tomorrow morning, you wake up to some sunshine breaking through at sunrise with clear skies pretty much all day. Very few clouds tomorrow. Looks like a lot of sunshine on Wednesday. By Wednesday night, not as cool, but still fairly clear. And Thursday, besides a few patchy morning clouds, it looks mostly sunny, getting a little breezy on Valentine's Day as the winds blow up from the south and push temperatures probably to the low to mid 80s in the afternoon for highs, and kind of gradually raise that humidity back. So by the time we get to Friday, it's still a decent amount of sunshine around, but Friday could be a fairly warm day, maybe close to 90 degrees in some areas. So the First 1.5 forecast today, clouds decreasing as the day goes on here near 71 degrees, humidity falling, breezes may gust up to about 25 miles per hour. 40s late tonight, though. If you go out at 8 or 9 this evening for a little after dinner walk, it's probably going to be in the 50s. But, if you're up early tomorrow morning or 3 or 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, that's when temperatures could be in the 40s, but the winds will be much lighter then and skies look clear. First 1.5 70 forecast near 71 today, 74 tomorrow, and up to 83 on Thursday for Valentine's Day. Friday could be near 90 in some areas, and even not much different Saturday. It looks like a lot of warm air surging ahead of another cold front. That front, it's kind of maybe a pair of fronts, really. One front may start to come in on Sunday, could create a couple showers, and then the second push of cool air gets here Monday. Knocks temperatures down, highs in the 60s on Monday. Some showers possible later Sunday and especially Monday, and some of that cool air may linger at least through Tuesday. We'll track it in your First 1.5 forecast throughout the week here on Channel 5 News at noon.